Welcome to Detroit Preppin'. This is a video response to Mad Dog Survival, the 3-knife challenge from across the pond. I'll start out with my most useful. I am a Amazon nut, and this Gerber Mossy Oak, which for some reason the camera doesn't want to focus on, is absolutely my most useful. I've probably got 100 miles on it so far. As far as my most unique, I would say my Camulus Titanium is my most unique. That's definitely my most unique. Now my favorite? Well, that's easy. Same as I carry on my hip. Glock. That's my 3-knife challenge. Thanks for stopping by and checking it out. Hope you enjoyed. I hope you'll come back to my channel. And if nothing else, I hope you have a good day.